Hello, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Eyeshadow 101 series. If you are on a journey of learning how to do your eyeshadow, definitely stick around. Today we're getting into how to blend eyeshadow and literally going all the way back to basics. So the palette that I'm using today is this Morphe palette, and the look that we're going in with today is a very neutral look. So I don't want to emphasize the palette or the products too much, but we're mainly going to get into technique. So the first thing that I'm doing is taking this really short fluffy blending brush. This is like a version of a blending brush, but it's much shorter, which is going to allow you to have a lot more control. If you want to learn more about eyeshadow brushes, I have an entire video about eyeshadow brushes and what they do and which ones to pick for what. So I'm going ahead and packing on a dark brown on the outer corner, and to go ahead and blend this out, I'm using the same brush for this entire look, and this is my color switch palette thing. This is basically a Brillo pad in like a little can, which is really cute. I got this one from Amazon. Basically what it does is just removes the pigment from the brush, so it basically cleans it off so that you can use your brush over and over again without muddying up or making your eyeshadow look like messy. I highly recommend if you also have like a small amount of eyeshadow brushes. I do have a good amount of eyeshadow brushes, but I usually like to kind of stick with like two while I'm creating an eyeshadow look because they just work the best. So after I went ahead and added on that dark brown in the outer corner, I literally just wiped off the pigment and worked on buffing out the edges. And now I'm going in and adding on more pigment to the middle of the eye. So blending out eyeshadow is literally just about depositing the pigment in the place you want it to be and then just buffing out the edges. And the buffing out the edges is where you blend it into the pigment adjacent to wherever you just put it down. So when you buff out the edges and blend the shades together, you're using a really light pressure on the brush, and you're also working on the edges, because if you work on the entire eyeshadow, then you are basically going to kind of wash it away. And doing it like this will really allow you to have as much pigment as possible and have the color show as vibrant as it can, while also blending it into whatever's going on next to it. When you do pick up the pigment on the brush, you want to make sure that you kind of tap off the excess to make sure that what you are packing on your skin is going to be nice and even and not patchy. If you have too much eyeshadow pigment on the brush, then it will come out a little bit patchy and be harder to kind of even out on your skin, and you don't want it to look patchy or splotchy. So this is those three shades blended together literally by using the technique of depositing the color and then buffing out the edges to blend in the color or the next color. So after I kind of built out the three shades on my eyes and created the gradient, I'm just going back in and depositing it a little bit more color because I want this to be a little bit more vibrant and have the color show a little bit more. So this part is optional, but again, the more that you blend your eyeshadow out, the less or the more faded that the actual color is going to look. So this is me adding a little bit more color back into the initial area that I placed it in, and then again using a really light hand to buff out the edges to make sure that it looks blended on the outer areas of the like initial spot that we placed it in. So again, the movement of the brush is going to be like back and forth in circular motions, but again, you are going to have really light pressure that you're applying to the skin and with the brush in the areas that you're trying to blend out and blur. Eyeshadow is literally just about creating really beautiful gradients and really nice flows of color on your eyes that accentuate your eye shape. And the more that you do it, the more practice you're gonna get and the easier it'll get. So this is me just going ahead and cleaning up the outer corner to create a really nice sharp line. And this is a kind of like secret hack to make sure that your eyeshadow always looks nice and clean, because literally on the lid is just a bunch of blurry colors mixed together, placed strategically, but then when you go ahead and clean up the outer line, like that's what makes it look like a really nice eyeshadow look. So hopefully now you have a better idea of how to go ahead and blend your eyeshadow. I highly recommend practicing when you have nowhere to go, because if you do mess up or if you're rushing, that's not going to help you. Let me know what you think about the tutorial. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for any more eyeshadow 101 videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!